Hey guys, so in this how-to series, I am going to be giving you an in-depth and detailed explanation of how to use tradingview.com. However, there is going to be a bit of a twist on this one. It's going to be different to most of what is already out there because it is going to come from the opinion and expertise of a professional. For a lot of you out there, you already know that I've been trading for a number of years and have experience in both smart money concepts and price action. So I've used a whole different bunch of tools and charting methods. So when it comes to TradingView, well, I can tell you what works and what doesn't work. We are going to be covering such things as how to create a watch list, how to save chart layouts. We're even going to be going over what packages actually work best for you and what you actually need to be paying attention to when selecting your TradingView package, how to change currency pairs, what charts I like the best as well. So we're really going to go in depth into that side of it. But remember that I will be talking about the stuff I don't like, which is extremely important. Just like in the Forex world, there is a lot of information out there. So I will be covering this is the stuff you should stay away from because it won't help you. To narrow your focus down and to make sure that you have a really specific but great foundation to which you can use TradingView to the greatest extent. Anyway, that is it from me, guys. I'm going to jump in now, and I will see you in the next episode.